Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to clean up your PlayStation 4 Pro. Now that's what I call simple cleaning because it does not involve a lot of instruments or disassembling your PlayStation 4. Now what you need for this cleaning is some isopropyl alcohol from your electronics store or Walmart, Q-tips, and some tissue. What we're gonna do here is remove the top cover by hands and then clean up the fan. Nothing could go wrong here. Now this is PlayStation 4 Pro. I've been having this guy for 5 years now, and I've never cleaned it up, and recently it has been very loud and it's getting really hot. So I'm gonna give it a try first. Without further ado, let's do it. You need to stick your fingers underneath the top cover where it says here Sony and PS4, and then you need to just pop up the top cover. Don't worry, you're not gonna break anything. It's very strong at the very beginning because I've never popped this up at all, and you don't have to worry about breaking anything. It's designed to do that.
Three days later.
But once you unclip the clips right here, so you need to just pull backwards, and then first and foremost, I don't want you to touch the fan, like start rotating it, and at a really high speed this could blow up the internals of the fan. I've seen some people on the internet like blow a can of compressed air right here, pressing the dust particles inside the internals of the PS4. You don't want to vacuum this dust because you can pull out some electronic parts. Take a look at this, a lot of dust right here. What I'm gonna do first is clean up this side. You can get a microfiber towel. Check this out, there's a lot of dust right here. Start cleaning the fan, and to do that you need to get some Q-tips. Now see how nice and clean they are. Just fix the fan first, don't let it rotate, and start doing it without rubbing alcohol first. Now what we need to do is get this isopropyl alcohol and get some Q-tips, and you need to give it a little spray, just not too much. I want you to focus on this side. Now this back cover needs to take a nice cleaning for the sake of the past 5 years. I'm gonna close the cover right now. So in order to do that, you need to make sure that the writing lies in the front side, like Sony PS4, and then you hook up like the back part first here, and then you kind of slide it forward and start clipping the clips back in place. It's okay if you hear like those clicks. Start from back to front. It takes a lot of power because it was the very first time I've done this. And then make sure it's not wobbly or anything. It's nice and snug.